welcome to Crafting Crystal, where we say fun and easy crafts to do with your family and create something beautiful every week. I'm Chase, and this is my mom, Crystal.
Hello,
Today we are making bunnies.
bunnies. Hey, okay, hey guys. So this is our bobblehead bunny. It's so cute. It's really cute to make. It's nice to leave on like your kid's desk and do some fun things with. So let's get started immediately. So this sheet of paper is 28 centimeters by 5 centimeters, which I'm also going to put on screen for you. And we're going to fold it. You're going to mark it at 14 centimeters. So there's a mark right here on this sheet of paper, and now we're going to fold. Come on, you could go and Chase and fold yours. So we're going to fold towards the 14-inch mark like this, and then fold the other side towards your 14-inch mark like so. Right, so Chase is folding as well. He's folding. You have to bring it on camera, sweetie. Right, so fold up here. Right, and then yeah, and then fold this towards your 14-inch mark there. Right, so you're making sure that your two folds are touching exactly on that mark, and then you're going to take like this and put these like this, so, and stick it down, and that's there you have the bunny's body. All right, so right, so Chase's own is folded well as well, and we're going to fold it in like this. Right, so as I said, I'm just going to use my glue gun really quickly because it sticks just so much faster with the glue gun than with the regular glue. But you can use regular glue, just give it some time to stick down. And because I'm using the glue gun, I'm doing all the sticking because Chase is a little too young to use a glue gun. Because a glue gun could give you a very, very serious burn if you touch the hot glue. Right? Right. So now we have our bodies of our bunny. Now we're going to make the feet. So what I want you to do is take this sheet of paper, which is 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters, and fold it in half. So you have some sketching to do in this craft, but it's not like a really large amount of sketching, and it's pretty easy, right? So you're going to pull it down there, and you're literally going to round off the top edge like so. Literally, just make a round, all right? So make it like your finger. I guess if you have a really big finger, you could put it there and just trace your finger. That'll be a good idea, actually. I didn't think of that. So you can do that. So what you're going to do is cut this now. And these are your bunny's feet. All right, where's your bunny's feet, Chasey? That's okay. All right, so Chasey's bunny's feet fell, so we got it now, right? So I'm going to take my own, and I'm going to trace it for Chase so that he doesn't have to do it with his sketching. So you just really have to sketch this once if you're making 1 or 2 bunnies. And there you go. Right, so we're going to cut this basically the same way. And you know what? As I said with crafting, it doesn't have to be perfect. There, and you have bunny's feet. Right, so you're going to open our bunny's feet. We're going to put some glue down, just a line of glue on both of them, and we're going to, it's just about here, and let me show you a little closer. So just about here, you're going to stick that down. So there you go. Right, now you're going to take your next size sheet of paper, and this is 7 centimeters by 7 centimeters. You're going to fold it in half again. Right, just do everything above here, right? And do the same thing. Now for for the fun part. We're gonna actually make the head. So if you can see, we're almost done with our bunny. We have the whole body, the back legs, and the front legs already made and there. So let's start with the head. So now basically you have to make a template to do the head of the bunny. And let's get started with that. So to make your template, you'll take one sheet of any kind of paper, right? So a white paper will be best. You're gonna fold it. You're gonna fold this sheet of paper in half. Now I'm using cardstock, which is a little harder to fold in half, but you can use another type of paper like regular printing paper to do this. But I use cardstock because I'm fine with it. So find your middle point in your so I'm using a cookie cutter, which has it's just about 7 inches in diameter, 7 centimeters, sorry, in diameter, right? So just under 7, maybe like 6 and 7/8, or even more than that. And this sheet of paper here is 10 centimeters by 14 centimeters. Yeah, so I have these 2 sheets which are cut 10 by 14, and that's to make the whole face of your bunny, right? So I'm gonna find the midpoint here, which is about where I'm holding here, and I'm gonna put it down like so, and I'm gonna trace all around, right? And see, so it's touching there. So this is exactly what she did, which is kind of cool. So I'm going to take my finger and make a mark here and a mark here, and then I'm going to let Chase take his finger and and I'm going to put it right here and make another mark right here. Do you want to try to draw these ears, Chase?
I think so.
You want to try? So basically we're drawing the ears of the bunny, which are these here. So what you have to do is find the point at the corner here. Maybe you're really eyeballing this and making a little dot there, and you're joining this to this using a sketch and just making it round. So I'm going to let Chase try to do it on screen for you, right? So you're going to make it round, like come out as a bunny, just, yeah, right, and then come down to this one. Yes. Awesome sauce, Chase. That's it. So you see, Chase made it like this. So of course I'm gonna cut where it's a little smooth, but this is fine. This is just to show you that it doesn't have to be, you know, like exactly perfectly straight, because I'm gonna cut it to suit. So I'm gonna fold it in half, and just so that both of our ears are equal, I'm gonna cut it like this, right? So we want a nice round head. So we're gonna cut like so. These are some really awesome ears, Chase. And then we're going to cut like so, just staying in line with what Chase did. Right? And then we're going to hold it up here and bring it down and cut it like so. And look at that. Look how perfect and cute that is. You see what you did? Look. So now I'm going to take my piece of paper here, and I'm going to put it down here, because this is all what we're using as a template, which means you can keep this because you can use it again and again and again as your template to make even more bunnies. So we're all done. So now we have our 2 bunny faces for our 2 bunnies. Right, and one time we're gonna make this. So Chase, you can fold this one. You prefer to fold this one? Yeah. So what we're gonna do, this is to make the bobblehead sort of mechanism here. So you're gonna fold this into an M. So you're gonna fold it in half first. So fold it directly in half, and then you're going to do what they call an accordion fold or fan fold. So we're not folding like this, but we're folding this back, right? So you can bring it on for him to see. Yeah, so you can fold right there, Chase. So you're folding this back. So keep it closed like this, Chasey. And then fold it back, right? And then fold this back to join here. And then fold this one back. So you have your little mechanism. So this is the mechanism that makes the head. So see, it looks like an M. or W, whichever way you're looking at it, right? So now we have everything drawn. All we have to do, and we have our pom-poms for the tails, all we have to do is put this together now. So that's what we're going to do, right? So I am going to put on the eyes. So we have a whole bunch of googly eyes here that we're going to grab 4 eyes. And we're gonna stick on the eyes, and what you do is you actually draw on the face. So we're gonna draw a little circle here, and this, with 3 dots and some whiskers. It's as simple as that, guys. It's not more difficult than that. You go ahead and draw a chase. Then what I do is I take a little Sharpie and I make it a little more prominent so that you can see it really well. So now all we have to do is build the mechanism for this. So you're not doing it like a W, because then the head will continuously turn down. So you're sticking it with this part like an M. So look at it like this, and then turn it and put it here. And you're sticking it like it's, as I said, so it's in the middle of here and here, right? So you're literally just putting a little glue and pushing it down here. Right, so if it does this, which happens, so this one just pops back up and stays up, all you have to do is pull it down, right? So you set the, see, so now it's not going up all the time. So you set the bunny's face by folding the paper. So you see? And as you play with it more and more, it's going to sort of set up, yeah, it's 2 girls and 2 boys, you see? It's going to set itself nicely and just stay folded. And ding, 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 ding. So pull down as you wish, and you see? How cool is that?
Thank you for joining us. Make sure and do the bunny.
Visit your local library.
And stay crafty, my friends.
Bye.